Alright, so let's try this. This should, so where we crashed before, this should now work at forming. It should actually create the machine and stuff. And if I recall correctly, at least according to our diagram, this 1x1 will have 4 slots on it. So if Alex programmed that incorrectly, then I should be able to place like 2 grasping vines or a couple of these other ones. Nice. All right. I break this, grab one of these. All right, so let's try lashing vines. So right now this would be rendering that growth animation, and we crash. Oh, I'm so okay. That would be right. All right, hold on. I need to fill in some defaults. Yeah, so basically it crashed with the constructor for the tile entity because I didn't fill in. I didn't fill in this stuff because I was lazy. But now I have to fill it in, so. Hello. Hold on a second. That should take me like 2 minutes. Oh, the joys of working on a lot of things at once is that you have to fix it once, you fix for everything. Oops, I need to change this one too, don't I? Come here. Change that. This one, yep. Okay. 4 to go. Come here. Alright, last one. So now here's hoping that it works, and that way I can start working on behaviors for tiles. For an unannounced stream, we're actually getting a good number of people in here. So hello everyone, who I probably have not ever seen or haven't seen in a long time. However you're finding my stream, welcome. if you're coming back from the first time I streamed about a year ago, sorry for the disappearance. A lot of stuff was happening. Hi, Mr. Cryptic. Not much. Finally got motivated to freaking do shit. Okay. I know what caused it. I needed to not break those things. Finally got motivated to actually continue on this. Kindly got settled in. Moved halfway across the U.S. Started up a 9 to 5. Yeah, basically, life progressed really fast, and I was catching up, and now I'm finally around. All right. I'll probably be streaming for a while. If I can get these Thailandese done, that'll be a huge step forward on this. All right, here we go. Let's build some lashing vines. Blah, 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 display, 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 and place. There we go. So, that's interesting. Oh, right, I'm dumb. They don't show up because uh, they're looking for a custom render. See you, Divine. Thanks for sticking around. They're looking for custom render, and it's not there. But the block is there. You can see the outline. So that works. The next check would be, so now there's 7. So here, if I place one of these over here, you can see there's 8 machines. The one that's missing should be the photosynthesis tower, which, if we look, is 3rd from the top. It's missing now because photosynthesis takes 4 slots, and there's only 2 remaining. So if I build this one here, let's place another one there. This integrator should be 1 slot. Okay. There you go. So we just built machine 4 tall, and now there should be no machines listed. This one built 1 tall, so this one also shouldn't have the photosynthesis tower, which is correct. So if I build another 2 high. Hi, Iteros. Hello. Yeah, so nothing there. Now the only thing left that could be built is the 1 slot, which is great. So I built that. Now if I break one of these, okay, nothing bad happens. If I break this, yeah, that's what happens. All right. But hey, at least we got the things popping up and working now. Yeah, this all 3 exceptions. Great, great, great. What actually? Break machine, unimplemented. All right, perfect. So what gets done here? There's a good bit of delay on my stream, unless it's just me. Let me refresh this page. No, I don't want tile, I want machine. Yeah, okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna unashamedly copy this, because this is potentially behavior that could be modified by other things, but for now it works for everything, but it's not necessarily pulled to a base class just yet. And if it were, refactor will catch it. And so what this does, basically, out of the locations in the world that this machine occupies, aka the list of blocks above that base, just removes them. Removes the tile entity, which doesn't need to be called. This should be called from set block to air. This should be Just navigate. This should. Yeah, that basically block shouldn't have to be removed. Or the tile shouldn't have to be removed because it should be removed when I set the block to air. Yeah, right there. Remove tile entity. Okay. So I don't actually need that call. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Of course, this could all horribly crash by moving that line. But I doubt it. Okay. So that's that. While I'm here, I might as well turn back on the rendering for these. Just so we can see them. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. All right, so basically what I just did, so we can now break the machines and everything shouldn't crash. We should be able to see the machine's blocks again, which is great. So we're not staring at outlines in the air. So once we basically get the creation and deletion working, I'm gonna pick one of these and start working on the actual behavior, what's supposed to do. I have a couple interesting ones I can work on. I can do one that just, the really simple ones, like AKA they generate a resource and store it, which is boring, but it's a starting place. Or I can do things that interact with the world, which are a bit more interesting, but there's also a bit more work to do with that. Okay, this didn't turn it back on. Darn. So about now, I should be able to break this. Those are gone. Break this. Those are gone. All right, perfect. So now that's loading. Hi, Bryce. Is opaque cube? Oh, okay, that's why. If I want these to render, I need to change this. Excuse me. Ah, shit. I'm trying to remember the vim command. I don't know the vim command to replace the line I'm on. Oh well. I'll probably have to change the render block path too. But whatever. One thing at a time. Alright, so anyone want to see a particular more interesting or the less interesting? AKA, one of these machines is going to grab all entities within range, and then it will exert a force over time, basically, to pull them towards itself. That would be grasping vines, so they basically latch out and grab onto things. The other one is called lashing vines, which is